Here are 5 things you need to know about our brand new condos at HHHunt Homes. Number 1. Condos may be a unique way to maximize land space, but this doesn't mean that the floor plans are small. Our condo floor plans can range up to 1,936 square feet, offering multiple bedrooms and bathrooms and garages. We have seen an uptick in all age groups purchasing condos, including people that are downsizing, first-time home buyers, and families. Number 2. What if we told you that you could get a condo that offers first floor living? When built on the ground level, some of our floor plans have no significant stairs to climb or elevators to ride. Take our Lincoln floor plan, for example. This home offers homeowners the perks of low-maintenance living on a single floor. Number 3. Just because you share a wall with neighbors doesn't mean that you miss out on natural light. Several condos, including the York floor plan, offer spacious windows in the main area and bedrooms. And some floor plans even offer patio doors to an outside space. Number 4. Condos do not mean high association fees. The association fees will vary by community, just like they do with any other home types. These fees often take care of maintenance and community amenities. Check out our What is an HOA video and learn about these fees and the HOA's role. Number 5. Our condos are not just built in urban areas. Condominium living has become more popular over the past several years, which means home builders have developed innovative condo plans in unique, amenity-rich planned communities. Learn more about our condos at HHHuntHomes.com. HH Hunt, because it's how you live that matters.